Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 BMW M4. I absolutely love the carbon fiber work in this model. And that engine is running smooth as could be, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. See, it also has carbon fiber in the grille. And if any of these LEDs appear to flicker at any time, that's the refresh rate of my camera that's doing that. They don't flicker to the human eye. See that it does have painted alloy wheels and M-branded brake calipers. It also has carbon fiber roof. Those exhausts sound amazing. I'll go ahead and put the camera up next to them. Okay, sizable trunk. Go ahead and take a tour of the interior. And here's the VIN right here, and I will upload still photos of these as well. Okay. Here's the rear seats. Obviously they're the black and red sport seats, or the Heritage Edition. Super comfortable racing seats. They do have Harman Kardon sound. And as you look down here, you'll see that it has 4,717 miles on this vehicle. Then you got your paddle shifters. And then your cruise control, your push to talk, your stereo toggles, your lights. And you see that the carbon fiber does continue through the dash. And this in the dash and down here actually has some red and blue accents in it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so this controls your infotainment center, and then you have your shifter, your key fob, your sport modes, and as we come up here, you've got your parking sensors, which you could hear those when I was walking around behind it, letting us know that someone was there. And there's your backup camera. Then we jump over to your map, just super clear. I absolutely love this screen. There's your menu with your media, and that has AM, FM, CD, DVD, and then you see that it does have USB and Bluetooth. Then there's your contacts. And then you can change it if you want split screen or elsewhere. Let's see.
Navigation is not active.
And so I just turned off the navigation. You got your My Vehicle and Connected Drive, notifications, M Drive, and the iDrive settings. So I absolutely love that you can set the car up for various drivers, and so you can put this on Sport, Sport Plus, Comfort, for M Drive. Absolutely love it. So at any rate, love that interface, and you can see the heritage markings on this as well with the numbering. Okay, and up here you have your map reading lights, and that about wraps it up for this BMW on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here up front and center. The airbag is not deployed. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.